Hey everyone, how's it going? And this time we talk about how to put a song on replay on the iPhone. I'm gonna assume that you're using the Apple Music or the downloaded music within this app. So in case that's the situation, just open up the app and get to the music that you want to play, right? So let's say it's gonna be this right here. And obviously you can add it to your favorites and whatever, but in case you want to just keep on repeating the music, what I want you to click on is essentially just click on the play button, and in here you can click on the playlist or whatever this icon just represents. Just click on that, which is going to show you what the next songs are going to be about. But in this case, we want to make sure that we just keep it on the replay, like keep it on loop, right? So we're going to click on that, and this means that this is going to be repeating the one song. Also, we can just click on that, which is going to show like this little one. You can see that this is going to be only for this one song or for this entire album. Obviously, I've just chosen a one song, so both of these options are going to work. But in case you're doing it for a song in an album, this is going to be repeating the entire album over and over. And this with the little one icon is going to only repeat this song. Now, as I say, in my specific situation, it doesn't matter because this album only has one song, but that's the distinction, and that's how you can make sure that the song just keeps on repeating over and over again. So yeah, hope you like this video. That's basically it. I'm not gonna drag it out any longer than it needs to be. So if you like this kind of videos or this approach, hit the thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss future ones, and I'll see you in the next one.